Just like OpenAI added so many apps and services to ChatGPT, Anthropic is now following the suit by expanding its directory of connecting services for its Claude AI chatbot. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The platform can now link up with your accounts on AllTrails, Audible, Booking.com, Instacart, Intuit Credit Karma, Intuit TurboTax, Resy, Spotify, StubHub, Taskrabbit, Thumbtack, TripAdvisor, Uber Eats, and Viator. But that is just the beginning. As Anthropic says, it'll add additional services in the future. More and more AI companies are trying to up their third-party integrations at a pitch to make their services as useful as possible. The benefit of having multiple apps connected means that a chatbot can do more complicated tasks on your behalf. This expansion takes that capability from the professional and educational settings where Anthropic's connectors have been focused for the past year to a personal one. So for instance, Claude can now help plan a hike on AllTrails and then pull up a Spotify playlist that will last for the duration of your trek. Anthropic is also refraining how apps are showing up so that an appropriate service is suggested for the task you want to perform. The app should appear dynamically within the Claude conversation rather than needing a user to swipe between programs. And just like any other AI action, Claude is supposed to check with its user before actually taking any actions, like securing a reservation or making a purchase. And this is the era where your AI will do most of the work for you, all while the control stays with you. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.